Are you ready to beat those blackjack odds? Well, you're in luck because today we're gonna be sharing some game-changing strategies. Howdy cowpokes, it's your old friend Dominic here from AmericanCasinoGuide.com. Although luck is a fundamental factor when playing blackjack, skill and strategy also still play a huge part in winning. And the basic concepts that you need to understand to make more informed decisions at the table and increase your odds of winning are nothing short of house edge and game probability. So what exactly is house edge and how high is it in blackjack?
Explain it.
Well, the house edge is a percentage that a casino will win over the long term on a particular game. At the end of the day, casinos are like any other business, aiming for higher revenue. So it makes sense that the games are built to ensure them a profit over the long run. Blackjack's house edge will depend on the following: the number of decks in the shoe. The lower the amount, the lower the house edge, as it'll be easier for you to calculate the possibility of getting a specific card. And secondly, the rules of the game. Each rule will affect the house edge in one way or another, be it the option to surrender, the table's payout, insurance options, and even if you can double down or make side bets. Overall, there are multiple variations of blackjack out there, but the best possible option for you is a single deck blackjack coming with a 3-2 payout, as there is only a 0.13% house edge. I need to preface though that a single deck blackjack with 3-2 payout is extremely rare. They do exist. I've seen them with my own eyes.
It's true. All of it.
And finally, a major influence on house edge is your overall strategy. The better you understand the probabilities of getting a card, the more you will be able to reduce that house edge. Now, how can you know the probability of getting a specific card? There really is only one way to do that, and that's called mathematics, as it will help you predict the likelihood of a specific outcome. So let's check some possible outcomes using a 52 card standard deck. There are 16 cards with a value of 10 in the deck. There are 4 10s, 4 jacks, 4 queens, and 4 kings. 16 divided by 52 gives you a 30.77% chance of landing one of those particular cards. And if you include the 4 9s and the 4 aces, that sum goes to an even higher number of about 46%. Meaning almost half the deck is good cards that'll really help your hand, and the probability of drawing any one specific rank is 7.7%. And if you want to know what the odds of drawing a range of cards is, you just multiply that range by 7.7.
The math is saying it.
Now, optimizing your basic strategy will further help to increase your hand strength without going bust and mitigate that house edge. For example, if the dealer's up card is a 4, 5, or 6, you're more likely to win if you stand on a lower hand, as the dealer has a higher chance of busting than you do of improving your hand. But there's an even easier way to do this. I recommend following the basic strategy charts, as they have all the calculations taken into consideration already and will help you best defend your hand against the casino's favored odds and that house edge.
You gotta defend yourself here, Bobby.
You can find a link to the basic strategy charts down below. So how do you increase your odds of beating that house edge? Find the best variations for you, study the rules, and most importantly, follow that basic strategy chart. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.